Hi everyone, welcome to a new review. In today's video, I'll be showing you Gigabyte's latest motherboard, the Gigabyte Z890 Eagle Wi-Fi 7. It comes with 4 M2 slots in total, 1 PCI Express 5.0 x4 slot, 3 PCI Express 4.0 x4 slots. Socket and processors. It uses the LGA 1851 socket V1, and is compatible with Intel Core Ultra 2nd Gen processors. It features 4 DDR5 DIMM slots, supporting up to 256 GB of total memory. Maximum memory frequency. It can reach speeds of up to 8800 MHz when overclocked. On the back of the motherboard, you'll find 4x USB 2.0 ports, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, 1x DisplayPort 2.1, 1x USB 4 Type C, supports DisplayPort. Alt mode, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type ports, 1x 2.5 GB LAN port, Wi-Fi antenna connector, Wi-Fi EZ plug, audio jacks for sound output and microphone. Thank you for being here. If you enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel to support me. I will see you on the next video.